Hi all, I'm Mr. West and I am one of the industrial technology teachers here at Cary-Grove. When you come into our classes, you have the awesome opportunity to learn how things are made and how machines work to make those things. You can start from the very beginning of designing those parts in a drafting class or in Project Lead the Way's Intro to Engineering and Design. In those classes, you are using industry standard 2D and 3D modeling software. From there, you can explore and see what types of tools and materials you like to work with. We have Woods, which has you working with woodworking machines to make a toy car or a cutting board. In Metals 1, you get to learn how to work with metalworking machines that introduce you to sheet metal forming, welding, and forging. In machining classes, you have the ability to manually cut metal to accuracies of 1/1000th of an inch, or take a CNC programming class to run a CNC machine to have it cut your project for you. We have 3D printers, mills, lathes, plasma cutters, routers, and a laser to make your projects. All of those machines can be programmed to cut out your design that you created in a drafting or engineering class. If you are a person who likes to be hands-on, taking things apart to see how they work, fix broken things, or likes to make anything with your hands, these classes are where you can find your making passion and develop the skills that can translate into a career.
Hi, my name is Nicholas Grants, and I'm a senior at Cary-Grove High School. So in the Industrial Tech Department, I've taken small engines, CNC 1 and 2, and 4 years of engineering. What I like most about these classes are the relationship I was able to build with the teachers. Mr. West and Mr. Naughton have been my teachers for 4 years, and they're both great people who are super knowledgeable on these machines and these classes. I also like that I'm able to use these super expensive machines that are able to make almost whatever you want using a program called Inventor. So my two favorite machines are the CNC mill and the 3D printer. The reason the CNC mill is my favorite machine is because I'm able to make whatever I want out of whatever I want. So I can cut metal, wood, plastic, and you're able to make different things. So I made this keychain wrench out of aluminum, which was pretty cool. And then I made this Cary-Grove letter sign and just hi. And I was able to handwrite the code for these two and make those cool projects. And then the 3D printer, my second favorite machine, you're able to print out a whole bunch of cool stuff. And what I really like printing out was this Rocktopus, which I think is super cool, this phone holder, and this other little project. So after high school, I am planning on pursuing an engineering degree and joining the military. So I believe that these classes make you think in different ways that you're not used to. So I'll be able to use this critical thinking in the military, and the PLTW program, the engineering program, will help me pursue an engineering degree. And what I would recommend to incoming students is to make sure you take these classes. Get exposure. If you're interested in something, just try it out. If you don't like it, you can try something else. But I would just recommend trying the classes. You will not regret it.
My name is Catherine, and I'm a senior at Cary-Grove High School. I've taken honors dual credit CNC 1, CNC 2, and all 4 PLTW courses held at my high school, including Intro to Engineering Design, Principles of Engineering, Digital Electronics, and Engineering Design and Development. What I loved about these courses is that it is very relaxed and to a degree very self-paced. One of my favorite parts is being able to actually apply what I learned and have the actual hands-on experience. This hands-on experience is what I believe helped me learn the most. I also love the field trips that we got to go on because it showed me real-life applications of what we learned and what the job workplace actually looks like for these fields. My two favorite machines were the CNC lathe. It's a giant turning mill, and the stock is held in a chuck, and it just rotates at an extremely high pace while the tool comes in and cuts down the stock. It's really cool to watch. And then the other machine that I really loved was the ShopBot. We used VCarve. It was a software, and we put our designs in, and we got to manipulate them so that we wasted the least amount of material possible. And this we actually used for one of my favorite projects in CNC. We got to create a puzzle box, and each part is a different piece. It's 6 different pieces, which we got to design and then put into V-carve and cut on the shop board. It was really cool because we got to do everything ourselves. Another one of my favorite projects was the hydroelectric vehicle, and basically we created a miniature car that was powered on a hydroelectric battery, and we got to use VEX parts and Arduino and breadboarding, and we got to integrate our mechanical engineering, electrical, computer, and all these different skills and apply it in this one project. And my favorite part was at the end we got to race our cars and see how far they could go. What I want to be when I go to college is I want to be an engineer. I want to do computer or electrical engineering. And I believe these courses have completely prepared me for college. They showed me both what industrial tech and engineering is and how exactly projects go from start to finish and everything in between. I believe that they have helped me be prepared for college because I believe they've given me an edge on others who haven't taken these courses, as well as shown me what exactly this is and shown me that I do want to go into these fields. I believe that these courses I would 100% recommend because they are so much fun and there's a lot of hands-on experience and you get to do a lot of projects and we work in teams for a lot of them, and it's helped me meet so many people. And it really does help prepare you for the future.